TikTok updates.
This look
On
see through
Hurricane
white
Melissa,
see?
heading for Jamaica.
This is the angle where it come. See it there? This is the trajectory. This is where it's coming. Yes, Kingston is going to be affected. We're going to be affected with heavy winds and heavy rainfall. Now repeat again. Kingston will be affected with heavy winds and heavy rainfall. That's why there's a flash flood warning out already. Guys, you see everything in this area? Let me explain who is in this area. Maypen is in this area. Otrius is in this area. Montego Bay is in this area. Negril is in this area. Lucia is in this area. So for everything that is in this area, which includes Falmouth, which includes Trelawney, every single thing we're in this area, everything we're in that area, this is the area that's going to get a heavier effect. Because this is where the storm is passing fully. Again, this area right here, guys, this is where the storm is going to pass fully. This is where the storm is going to pass fully. Which part you see Ochi, which part you see Mobile, which part you see Negril, which part you see Lucia, which part you see Maypen. These are the areas, guys, that are going to be affected fully. For all of my sand catching people, them, for everybody in my sand catching zone, who now go get heavy rainfall, who now go get heavy wind, and there's a flash flood warning out for everybody in a sand catching. Who don't understand what sand catching consists of? Spanish Town, Portmore, all over roadside, the sun, everything coming out this area. So the area right there, so, yes. It's this area right here, guys. See this area? We are not out of it. We are going to get heavy rain and heavy winds. There is a flash flood warning already out. It means a lot of flooding is going to be conducted here. Yeah. So Trelawney good? No. Otrius is right here. Maypen is right here. Montego Bay is right here. Negril is right here. Lucia is right here. You see everything that's in this area right here? This is the direction where it is passing 100%. So these places are going to have extra winds and heavier rainfall than this area right here. Now understand? Hope you understand.
Go to ask for Trelawney, boy, Trelawney. No way not Trelawney not safe. Clarkstone.
Trelawney cannot be safe. Trelawney nor Falmouth, all that it is up that area. It
No way
cannot
not
be safe.
Trelawney.
Good morning, little mama. It cannot be safe. Everything where they up here, so, in a Mobile to Trelawney, them side are up here, so, to Negril to Lucia. None of these. Make sure I zoom it. Let me zoom it in, look more phone. Let me zoom it in. Let me zoom it in, look more phone, guys. Let me zoom it in and bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down and zoom it in, phone. Let me zoom it in. See? Let me zoom it in. See me I go now. Let me zoom it in. Now see it now. See it there? I want to see. See? Maypen, Ochi, Mobile, Lucia, Negril, Cambridge. See all of you so alligator upon see all of you so you know say Negril thing the right there so Trelawney there so Falmouth there so this the right there so that there so everything that's in this area, this is where the heart of the storm will pass. Here so is where the heart of the storm will pass. The storm will pass the heaviest behind this line. You see everything where they behind this line when I see the line? Tap up the screen, guys. Please, guys. The only thing I ask you for is just tap up that screen and please to share the live. Share the live and tap up the screen, please. I ask you please share the live and tap up the screen. Alright. You see everything that's behind this line, guys? When I say behind this line, you see everything that's behind this line is going to get the most damage. This is where all of the damage I got conduct, guys. Open and understand. That's where all of the damage I got conduct behind this line. Anything you say, bro. If you feel it now, come tomorrow also. Behind this line, this is where everything I got conduct. The heaviest ice storm I got conduct behind this line. Which place they behind this line? Mia Pen, Waterios, Montego Bay, Cane Bridge, Lucia, Negril, Prince Bilna, bro. The whole are behind you, so. See the whole are behind you, so. Trillane, Falmouth, the whole are you, so. The whole are you, so. I will get the heaviest part of the rain. The heaviest part of the rain. To this section.
Yeah, my G. Alright. If anything means any something, because the rain will start now. The rain will start now. Breeze.
No, I mean like.
Come on, man. I add them as it is, man. I add everybody piece by piece. And everybody can get a chance to come up, man. We not deny nobody, man.
Alright, me go come down like how you see my one already. And the rain are falling on.
No, you're not come down, man. You're there from night. You're come down.
Watch out now. Click. Munchi, click the link in a.
Everybody, everybody. All we are Jamaica, you know.